Welcome to this quick walkthrough of the camera settings feature. To access your camera settings, go to the top toolbar and select Setup, then choose Camera Setup from the left menu. From here, you have three main options. First, you can choose Set Lynx Cam Defaults. This sets the default settings for all Lynx cams in your fleet, including any new ones. You can reset these to factory default settings at any time. Next, you can update selected Lynx cams, which allows you to update settings in one or more chosen Lynx cams. If you update one camera at a time, you can also assign this camera to a different tracker. You can also choose to use the fleet defaults that you set in Set Lynx Cam Defaults. The third option is to update selected dash cams. Similar to Lynx cams, this option lets you adjust dash cam settings one at a time or multiple cameras at once. And that's it. Now you know how to manage and customize your camera settings.